Hello YouTube friends and families, welcome back to my YouTube channel. At I am making this peanut adobo. It's one of the street foods in the Philippines. It's actually raw peanuts cooked in some oil. I don't like adding too much oil. And then um, after cooking the peanut, we add some toasted garlic and some red chili peppers, some salt or cayenne pepper, then shake it, and there you have it. You have a healthy snack. I love this peanut adobo, by the way. And today was Friday afternoon, and here we are going to the marina for a short weekend vacation. We made it here to the boat, and then over there it's like the last day of the, I forget the name, punk rocker band like Ramones. So there's a lot of people there. We saw them. It's pool parking.
They're already rumbling now.
Yeah, punk rocker. Sheila, punk rocker Sheila is. Just some chill time while snacking this yummy adobo peanut or adobong mani. I mean, it's better than eating a lot of junks like chips. You dropped the toy.
It's a checkout card. You have to present it here so they know you're good to go. So we're going to do that now. What's up, buddy? I got that. Sir, you're welcome. Have a good one. Take care.
Peace, girl. Another foggy morning here. There's a cruise ship. Is it moving?
I can't tell.
It's not moving.
No,
Huh?
It's not. Scruffy! No! It was really foggy that day. Actually, the whole weekend it was foggy. And Scruffy is back from his morning potty. It's so foggy. We went up, 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 up.